clip that will go around the stick and then allow us to put it against the table and grip somehow.
So I was at the Innovation Festival and I was just having a conversation and jokingly said, hey, can you make something for me stick to keep it up? I've been asking for years and still not got anything. And he guided me straight away over to the team that were working with the 3D printer. And I met a great guy called Glenn, who in a matter of minutes had designed this, what I'm using now. And I was fascinated with the technology and actually how quick they were able to resolve something that's drove me mad for years. And I was just blown away by it, and I've used it every day since he gave me it, and it's a godsend. Every time I sit down and put my stick against something, you'll hear a clutter, and that's the stick falling to the floor. So it's awkward to try and get it back up for bending reasons, but it's also dangerous, and the amount of people that I've caught with the stick when it's fell, if I had £1 for everyone, I wouldn't need to walk. So it was a real issue with the stick not being able to be steady.